Wakarimasen is better than a random yes. If you do not understand, say it clearly before you guess.
Nihongo EXP. Quest 10. Wakarimasen.
Quest 10-1. Admit confusion clearly. Wakarimasen clearly says you do not understand. It is safer than pretending you understood.
わかりません。もう一度お願いします。英語でもいいですか？
Quest 10-2. Do not understand, repeat, or English. If you truly do not understand, say Wakarimasen clearly. If you almost understood, ask for one more time. If you need English help, ask permission first. Use Wakarimasen when you really do not understand. If you only missed one line, ask for a repeat before giving up. If Japanese is still too hard, ask if English is okay. Now, Ichido Onegai Shimasu asks for the same line again. Wakarimasen says you do not understand.
Mini dialogue.
A staff member explains something. Listen to the scene, then repeat once.
こちらに書いてください。すみません。わかりません。
Polite start plus clear rescue equals the scene stays safe.
Quick check.
A staff member explains something, but you do not understand. What do you say?
Correct.
A. Wakarimasen. It clearly says you do not understand.
わかりません。
Mistake clinic. Saying yes when you do not understand can create trouble. Mistake clinic. Saying yes when you do not understand can create trouble. Use Wakarimasen instead.
わかりません。
Battle start. 3 rescue scenes to clear the quest. Question 1. You do not understand an explanation. What do you say? Answer. A. Wakarimasen. It clearly says you do not understand.
わかりません。
Question 2. You missed one word, but a repeat might help. What do you say? Answer. A. Mao Ichido Onegai Shimasu. Ask for one more time first.
もう一度お願いします。
Question 3. You need English help. What do you ask? Answer. A. I go demo 2D soka. Ask if English is okay.
英語でもいいですか？
Today's rule. If you do not understand, say it clearly. Final shadowing. Listen, repeat, then one more time.
わかりません。わかりません。わかりません。わかりません。
Nice.
You cleared quest 10. Next quest, これは何ですか? Ask what this is. Subscribe to keep leveling up.